Alright, pulled up to the second spot. No way. What the? There it is. There it is. Nice snook. Got you. Phew, look at that snook, boys. Yeah. Look at that one. That's a freaking good one there. That's a nice one there. She got me in the hand real good. I mean, deep. But she says I deserve it. I want to get a measurement, but try not to keep her out of water too long. You know? Gotta keep her in the water. Right, Mama? Man, that was on the first shrimp in there. Boom. It's been cold, but it warmed up for the last couple days. And we got a new moon approaching. I saw some nice fish yesterday out here. Came back with some nice select shrimps. And Mama Snook wanted to play. I mean, could be a slot fish. Could be a slot fish. There she goes.